To install the Fit3x car seat with the lower anchors and tether in the forward-facing position, begin by locating the top tether storage. Press down on the adjuster button and pull down to loosen. Unclip the tether hook. Next, make sure the lower anchors are in the forward-facing belt path. To do that, start by unbuckling the chest clip and harness buckle. Loosen the harness by pressing the harness release button and pulling forward on both of the harness straps. Pull up on the headrest adjustment handle until the headrest reaches the highest position. Unsnap the side support and backrest padding. Remove the side support. Fold the headrest padding under itself and pull down on the backrest padding. Pull the lower anchor straps from the rear-facing belt path under the seat padding. Then, pull them through the forward-facing belt path. Make sure the lower anchor straps are laying flat and are not twisted. Reattach the backrest padding by fastening the snaps. Pull the headrest padding down. Make sure the headrest padding is unfolded and covering the car seat backrest. Replace the side support if your child weighs under 40 pounds. Place the Fit3x on your vehicle seat in the forward-facing position. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure the Fit3x is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle and that the base is laying flat on the seating surface. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the Fit3x. Squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Locate the lower anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both connectors. While pushing down on the Fit3x seating surface, pull the lower anchor adjuster until both sides are tight and there is no more slack. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook to the anchor and pull the adjuster strap. Hold the Fit3x at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for forward-facing installation.